Hey there, weather enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Breaking Weather channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a storm. Today, we're diving into a fascinating weather question. Take a look at this clip from a wild weather event that took place in Alabama in 1993. The question is, can you get a big snowstorm in Alabama that dumps something like, say, 20 inches of snow? Sounds almost unbelievable, right? Well, let's talk about it. Now, while it's rare for Alabama to experience such a massive snowstorm, the famous 1993 winter storm proves it's not entirely impossible. This storm, often remembered as the storm of the century, left many shocked, especially in Gadsden, Alabama, where 20 inches of snow fell. You heard that right, 20 inches. Weather forecasters usually don't predict snowstorms of this magnitude in regions like Alabama. Why? Well, the conditions just aren't typical for the area. Snowfall totals like that would usually be found up north. But here's the thing, despite the storm's size, the meteorologists got one thing right. They nailed the timing of the storm. Although massive snowfalls like the one in 1993 are rare, forecasters actually predicted the timing of the storm with impressive accuracy. This is a great example of how timing, more than the amount of snow, can be key when forecasting these major weather events. Even though they didn't foresee 20 inches, they saw the system coming, and that was the critical part. Timing meant people had the chance to prepare for the extreme conditions. It just goes to show how tricky it is to predict huge snowfalls, even for experienced meteorologists. As I alluded to earlier, can we get much larger amounts in the south? Those areas of North Mississippi, North Alabama, North Georgia, and Tennessee? By all means, yes. The setup is right. This area has cold air that will be in place with abundant moisture. Here's the predicted amounts now 4 days in advance. North Mississippi 4+ inches, North Alabama 4+ inches, Florence 5, Huntsville 7, North Georgia 4+ inches, Dalton 5.8, Northern South Carolina up to 5 inches, Tennessee 6, 10 inches statewide, Nashville 7.1 inches, Kentucky 8, 12 inches, Lexington 11 inches, Ashland 9 inches, Paducah 11 inches, Virginia 12, 24 inches, Richmond 15 inches, West Virginia 10+ for most areas. Most areas of North Carolina 8, 12 inches. Here is a synopsis of the weather for that Wednesday and Thursday. Alright folks, here's your winter storm update for February 19th, 20th. Starting off early Wednesday morning, we're seeing snow moving into Nashville, Tennessee, and the western part of Kentucky. Snow is also reaching Evansville, Indiana, and even northern Alabama. By 9 to 11 a.m. Wednesday, the snow intensifies, covering nearly all of Tennessee and parts of northern Alabama. This includes heavy snowfall in western Tennessee, spreading into eastern Tennessee and West Virginia. The snow also expands southward into northern Mississippi, and we're even seeing it reach northern Georgia. Further east, we've got major snow hitting the upstate of South Carolina, with a large winter storm moving into western North Carolina. So keep an eye on these areas for some serious snow totals. Stay safe out there.